Alrighty guys, good morning. Thanks for watching. Now a little update on the brakes here. Now it said online that they were zinc plated and all that they wouldn't corrode. So that was kind of one of the reasons why I was going with it, because of the rain and humidity here. But I come out here to take a look, and look at this. Look at that. Let me flip y'all around. Look, already corroded. They ain't even been on a day. Now that, very disappointing. I mean, I understand a lot of it'll come off when I start braking, but still, that was the whole reason why I ain't getting them. So yeah, if y'all plan on getting these, just because they're zinc plated don't mean they won't rust. Or maybe that's just water that's rusting. I don't know. Side over here, not so bad. So it's a little update there. Hopefully soon, guys, we can get us a pickup to work on. I kind of want to get like a 08 to like 2012, one of those kind of models, because I don't know, I just like the way they look when they're lifted, because I kind of wanted to do like a lifted truck. So that way I can have, I want to, hook it up into a point to where I can end up making it a daily, and eventually the old Honda Fit will probably go away after we got it all customized and looking good. But anyway, that's what we do here. We basically just get some basic cars, customize them, and then try to sell them, get a profit. But we don't get rid of the old OBS, of course. But man, the way the prices is on trucks right now is ridiculous. Tell me what y'all think about the prices down below. I mean, I've been seeing trucks that are worth like $3 grand, and they got them listed for like 10 grand. I'm like, whoa, what's going on here? Also, what do y'all think about the whole shortage on the chip thing? Where you like, I got a guy at work, he ordered one of those Ford Broncos, the new ones, and they actually put those like on the back burner because of the whole chip issue with the F-150s. I guess they got so many F-150s piled up that they got to get those all addressed before they get back on the Bronco line. So yeah, that's super interesting there. As far as like metal shortages and stuff after the whole COVID stuff, it's ridiculous. Like, I ordered an intake for the Honda out there the end of March, and the manufacturer still says there's going to be a wait for like a small material shortage or something. So I don't know what they're really waiting on an intake. I mean, is it the metal tubing? Is it the couplers? Surely to God it ain't the clamps. So anyway, yeah, this is just kind of like a rant day to just rant everything off. Anyway, hopefully y'all start having a good week. Try to get some more videos out to y'all. Want to try to make some more customization videos or something different. I mean, we need something different on the channel, something new. I'm going to do some more, got some OBS stuff that need to address and fix and all that. So hopefully y'all be more interested in watching some of that. So we'll bring some of that back out. It's been a little while for that. We only basically drive the OBS like on the weekends. It's kind of like, it's got antique tags, so You're really only supposed to drive it to shows and all that, but whatever. But I don't want to drive it all the time. I mean, put a whole bunch of miles on it. Got that new motor and everything else. So that's about it. Other than that, I think we'll probably wrap this video up. I don't know really what else to say. I don't really have much parts coming in for the week. I do got some separate, I got some of these blue lights here that I wanted to try to incorporate with some certain stuff. Just got really just some issues and stuff to address on the vehicles. Oh, what I do have that I haven't showed y'all is this fender roller. So we'll have to do a video on that to, assemble all this together. And then we'll do a fender rolling video. So that'll be interesting. If y'all ever wanted to roll your fenders and kind of see how we can get that done. So other than that, I guess that's about it here in Texas. It's just raining every other day and keeping it saucy, and wassy, and dossy, and all that good stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for tuning in. And we've almost hit 4K if you haven't noticed. Maybe one day we'll eventually get some merch, some stuff we can start giving away, like some of these other channels. I hope. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good week. Till next time, keep it simple. Keep it sweet.